Hello all, welcome to the next part of the video on important objective questions to crack any competitive exams. So let's get started. The first problem is, in the voltage regulator shown below, Vt is the unregulated at 15 volts. Assume Vb equal to 0.7 volt and the base current is negligible for both the BGTs. If the regulated output V0 is 9 volt, the value of R2 is. To find the value of R2, we should know the voltage across R2. So the voltage across R2 is nothing but the sum of base emitter voltage and the Zener voltage. So the base emitter voltage is given here as 0.7 volt and the Zener voltage is 3.3 volt. So totally the voltage across R2 is nothing but VR2. Voltage across R2 is nothing but 0.7 plus 3.3. It is nothing but 4 voltage. Okay, we have total voltage V0. So given V0 equal to 9 volt. So when we apply the voltage divider rule here, V0 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2 equal to 4. It is nothing but 9 R2 divided by R2 plus, already we know what is R1, it is nothing but 1K, which is equal to 4. Then 9 R2 equal to 4 R2 plus 4K and 5 R2 equal to 4K, R2 equal to 4000 divided by 5. It is, so R2 is nothing but 800 ohm. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, the next question is for the modulated signal x of t, the message signal m of t and the carrier frequency is given. The signal x of t is passed through a demodulator and the output y of t of the demodulator is. The x of t is multiplied with cos 2 pi fc plus 40t by a multiplier. The output is passed through a low pass filter which is having the cutoff frequency 510 and we have to find the output y of t. Okay, so what we have to do is, first we have to see the output of the multiplier, that is multiplier is nothing but x of t into this cos 2 pi fc into t. Okay, first we have to see that one. The output of the multiplier is m of t cos 2 pi fc into t cos 2 pi fc plus 40 into t. So here while solving this problem, we have to remember the formula cos A cos B equal to 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That formula we have to apply here. So when we apply the formula, we will get here m of t divided by 2 into cos 2 pi into 2 fc plus 40 into t plus cos 2 pi 40 into t. So we know what is m of t. M of t is nothing but 4 cos 1000 pi t. Okay, we have to substitute that here. So we can write like this: 2 cos, I am writing m of t as 2 pi 500 t into cos 2 pi 2 fc plus 40 into t plus cos 2 pi 40t. I am applying the same formula again here. So we will get cos 2 pi 2fc plus 540 into t plus cos 2 pi 2fc minus 460 into t plus cos 2 pi 540 into t plus cos 2 pi 460 into t. Okay, so the output of the low pass filter is our required output. Okay, so the output has the cutoff frequency of 510. So the signal which is having the frequency less than 510 will pass through the filter. You see here fc is 1 megahertz, so this term will not pass through this term will not pass, this term will not pass. So the output of the multiplier will contain only this one, cos 2 pi 460 t. That is our required output, cos 2 pi 460 into t. It is nothing but cos 920 pi t. This is a required output of the signal, actually where it is. So this is our required answer. Next question is, a system with the transfer function is given, is subjected an input, the steady state output of the system is given. We have to find the value of A here. So to find the value of A, first we will replace S with j omega in the given equation. So g of j omega equal to 1 by 1 plus j omega into A plus j omega. So the magnitude of the transfer function is nothing but 1 divided by root of 1 plus omega square into A square plus omega square. So from the question, the transfer function g of j omega at omega equal to 3 is nothing but 1 by root 10 into 1 by 5. It is nothing but 1 by 5 root 10. Now we can equate both the equation. So omega at omega equal to 3. So 1 divided by root of 1 plus 9 into A square plus 9 equal to 1 by 5 root 10. So when you solve these equations, you will get A equal to 4. This is the answer for this question. The next question is, according to Kirchhoff's voltage law, the algebraic sum of the voltage in any closed loop network is nothing but value is 0. So the next question is, the component in the circuit given below are ideal. If R equal to 2 kilo ohm and C equal to 1 microfarad, the 3 dB cutoff frequency of the circuit in hertz is. So the given circuit is a low pass filter using op amp. So this low pass filter is made of R and C components. So the cutoff frequency of this filter is nothing but Fc equal to 1 by 2 pi Rc. So which is equal to 1 by 2 pi. Substitute the value of R and C here into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. So we will get Fc equal to 79.58 Hertz. So this is the answer for this question. The next question is, consider the following closed loop control system where G of S and C of S is given. If the steady state error for a unit ramp input is 0.1, then the value of K is. So in this diagram, the open loop transfer function of the system is nothing but C of S into G of S. It is nothing but 1 by S into S plus 1 into K into S plus 1 divided by S plus 3. Okay. So this will get cancelled. So the transfer function is nothing but K divided by S into S plus 3. So this system is a type 1 system. That is, here the number of poles at origin is equal to 1. So the steady state error for unit step input of type 1 system is nothing but 1 divided by kV, where kV is nothing but limit S tends to 0, S into C of S into G of S. Okay, we have to substitute this in the given formula, that is limit S tends to 0, S into K by S into S plus 3. Okay, when we substitute S equal to 0 here, we will get kV equal to K by 3. So we had found out the value of kV, that steady state error is nothing but 1 by kV. So steady state error is 3 by K. Okay. So in the question, the steady state error for the unit ramp input is given as 0.1. That is 3 by K equal to 0.1. So K will be equal to what? 30. So this is the value of answer for this question. The next question is, a car having an axle of 2 meter length is traveling with 72 km per hour at a vertical component of its magnetic field of 40 microweber per meter square. The EMF generated in the axle of a car will be. So we have a direct formula for this question, that is EMF generated E is equal to B into L into V. B is the electric magnetic field, that is 40 into 10 to the power minus 6, and L is the length 2 meter into V is the velocity. So 72, it is given in kilometer per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second. For that we are multiplying 5 divided by 80. So the answer is 1.6 millivolt, where it is. So this is the answer for this question. We will solve more problems in our future videos. Till then, stay connected.